Apple just brought back something we haven't seen since the iPhone 4, the bumper case. But here's the real question. Is it sleek minimalism or a $40 mistake you will regret? Let's find out. I picked up the iPhone Air bumper in tan to match my gold iPhone Air. It looks gorgeous right out of the box, but after using it for a while, I have got some strong opinions you will want to hear before you buy. Let's start with unboxing. Apple nails presentation as always. The case comes in a neat little box with a pull tab. Sliding it out, my first thought was, wow, this is sleek. The texture is smooth, maybe even slippery. Now, getting your iPhone in isn't totally effortless. If you try to shove it in, you will struggle. Here's the trick. Keep the case below the phone and start from the top corners. Then gently press in the bottom. It clicks in perfectly with a secure fit. Looking around the case, you can see the side button and camera control button on the right side. The camera control button works flawlessly, registering swipes, touch and presses without issue. Here's a look at the case from the top. As you can see, the camera sticks a lot farther from the case. While the bumper lip provides coverage over the display and back glass panel, the camera remains exposed. If you have a habit of using your phone on the table, there's a chance the camera lens will get dirty and even get minor scratches. At the bottom, you will find precise cutouts for the charging port and microphone, plus holes for a lanyard or Apple's new crossbody strap. Now, let's talk about how the case feels in hand. The bumper is insanely light, only 12 grams. But compared to Apple's clear case or even the Beats case, it makes the phone feel wider and more chunky in the hand as it adds more width to the iPhone Air, almost twice as much as the other cases. Now, here's the thing that bugged me the most, the buttons. They work, but they feel mushy, not satisfying at all. Honestly, I do not like pressing them. The mushy buttons just ruin the experience, and that alone is a deal breaker for me. So is the iPhone Air bumper worth it? I don't think so. Unless you want that super minimal, almost naked iPhone look, I would not recommend it. For most people, the Beats case is the smarter choice. Better protection, better feel, and better buttons. You can watch our review of the case by clicking on this video next. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple gear breakdowns. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.